How to find people without username or phone number on Snapchat. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to your profile icon at the top left corner. And then click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down and inside Privacy Control, simply move into Contacts or move into See Me in Find Friends. Once you're in this page, you need to set the settings to Friends and Contacts. Now you'll be able to find the people on your contacts very easily on Snapchat. Also, you can go back and then simply head over to the settings of a device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Then move into Apps. In this page, search for the application Snapchat. Once you find it, move into it. Head over to Contacts and set the settings to Full Access. Tap on Allow Full Access. Now go back and head over to your Snapchat. Head over to the inbox and then click on this plus icon. Move into All Contacts right over here. Click on View More. Now you will be able to see the Snapchat account of all the people on your contacts. This way you can add anyone that you want. Simply click on Add. So this is simply how you can find an account without username or phone number. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.